welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Thank you if you're coming back. Today we're going to do some hauls. I have one from Temu and one from Shein or Shein, however you prefer to say that. So first one, I'll go ahead and open this. Try not to have it too noisy for you. Bag in a bag in a bag in a bag. Gotta love it. All right, so the first one here looks like it is, oh, it's a pair of birds. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a pair of birds. I'll open those. I'll get everything out and then I'll open it so that I'm not crinkling so much. Okay, so this one looks like, oh, this must have been a package of birds because there's a couple more birds there. And then this one, trying not to crackle, sorry. Oh, this is a peacock. Oh, a peacock planter, if you can tell. That's a peacock planter. Yeah, and again, I'll open all these so we can look at them better, but I'm just trying to minimize the crackling. This doesn't say what it is. It doesn't say. I have a feeling it's another bird. I think I bought a bunch of birds. For some reason, I was in the mood for birds that day. But we'll look at that. And, hold on, sorry, I don't want to, trying to not crackle too much, sorry. And it says bird mold, so, so we will look at that. So, that package was literally for the birds. And then this one is Shein, whatever you prefer. Looks like there's a little coaster. That one. And another little coaster. Two mandala. Looks like they're both. Yeah, well, that one's not. It looks almost like a tattoo type flower. And then that's a mandala. And this is, looks like a ripple tray. Yeah, that'd be nice. All right, so I'm going to package these so we can actually look at them and there won't be any crinkling, so just hold on a minute. Okay, so I tried to minimize the crinkling here by opening everything up. I don't know how much more you're going to see, but this kind of gives you an idea of, these are little birds. I think I've seen several people do these. Just simple little birds there. And then this one, it's definitely a matte. It looks like it's got some, you can see. I don't know if that's showing that. There's some texture in there that's really good. Really nice texture. Looks like the bird might be sleeping. Looks like its head's turned around. There's that one. And then this one. Oh, there's some really good texture on this one too. Yeah, nice texture. It looks like there's his head there, so he's sitting up. And these look almost like sparrows. Perfect little birds. I kind of like these. And these, they may be shiny. I can see some shine on there, but I'm not going to hold my breath that they're too terribly shiny because it is Temu. And this one is peacock. Here's peacock. It's a pencil holder or flower pod or whatever, and it's definitely a mat. And then here is the I don't know, it looks like a flower tattoo kind of to me. I'm not really sure if there's a name for that, but that's a coaster, just nice flower in it, and a better picture or a better view of the mandala coaster. So that is all I have for tonight. Just sharing my craft haul with you, my molds. So thank you for joining me tonight. A very short visit, but thank you for coming back for the next one.